Hello everyone, this is Angro and we're back with our favorite funnels. But now we are going to be talking about something new to the mobile industry. And these are called web-to-web or web-to-app funnels, or simply web funnels for the sake of this video. So if before we were going over the funnels that were constructed within the apps, right? Usually these were onboarding funnels, set of questionnaire that would help us to get to know about the app, collect some of our information that will eventually help us to proceed with the application. Then today we are going to be looking into a similar thing but constructed on the website. And how do we get to this website is usually done through acquisition campaigns done on the side of an app developer and published through ad networks such as Meta or TikTok. These ads would look something like this, but when you click on them, you will be redirected to a site where you'll be asked to basically select one or the other. So let's assume we get to the last question here. We will be asked usually an email address, or this will be followed by with a paywall. So in this case, we see that there is a email address to be asked, hit continue, and we hit the paywall. And what do we see? We see here that we can instantly activate our trial or active subscription. And you might ask, why is it so? Like, why is this done this way? Well, the answer is kind of in front of us. The transactions here are not shared with the Apple. They go immediately to the app owner's account because you pay through PayPal or directly with a Visa. And there's another advantage to this. This way, the app owner can use different sorts of trackers that are bypassing, again, Apple tracking filters. This way, the ads might be more personalized and highly targeted to us as users. So what happens if we, let's say, quit this step and don't proceed with a subscription? We start to be engaged with email campaigns. So there's a list of apps that I've been saving here. So one of my favorite is Headway app. I think these guys are very advanced in regards to how they construct the funnels and how the funnels are interactive. It's not just multiple choice questions. Sometimes you need to hold the button for a few seconds, or you need to swipe left and right in order to complete the step. And it did really make me pay attention to what the value and what the app is about. So the engagement starts with the first email where you have to confirm your email address. So supposedly the app created an account for me, which I did not intend to do, but it's a pretty smart way to enable a user, right? To let them know that, okay, you have your little something here created, which you might as well log back into and have a look. And the second email would be already with the basically value prop, right? Explaining what the app does and why should we look into it. And to be brief, Headway is an app that helps you find books depending on your interests. So many other apps would immediately start shooting us with the discount, 75% off, 30% off, a lot of information that we might not or might go through. But the way Headway does it is that each day and each following day, so like the break could be 2 or 3 days, they will be sending us different books, different parts of their features, right? Trying to get our attention to one or the other. So they're not really trying to like spam me with many emails, even though they are the ones that sent me the most amount of emails over a period of 3 weeks, I believe. So pretty cool strategy, and I know for a fact that these guys are adding significant amount of revenue with the web funnels and email engagement in particular. So if you're an app owner and you thinking about how to distribute your revenue streams and how to basically add an additional value, you might as well look into this thing. And as always, the key to succeed here is through multiple and ideally dynamic testing of campaigns and through properly segmenting your user segments in the first place.